All right, now we're looking at sine rule, but now we want to use it to find the missing angle of a triangle. Now, our formula stays the same pretty much. We have a triangle, A, B, C are the angles, A, B, C are the sides. Now, our formula was A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. But when we're looking for angles, I prefer to invert that formula, right? So that it becomes sine A over A is equal to sine B over B. It makes the calculation process shorter. So the angles are on top now. And now that we've established our formula, let's use it on two examples. First, we have a triangle here, and our triangle has an angle A. It's got another angle 70 degrees. It's got 25 centimeters there. Then it's got 16 centimeters there. And of course, we're looking for the angle A. To find A, we'll say sine A over the side opposite, which is 16, is equal to sine of another angle, which is 70, over the side opposite that, which is 25. So again, we have a simple equation. We want to isolate the sine A, so we need to multiply both sides by 16 to remove that 16 from the denominator. So we'll multiply by 16. Sine A will be equal to 16 sine 70 over 25. Now, if we submit this 16 sine 70 over 25 to our calculator, sine A should be equal to 0.6014. Now, if we remember, we're not looking for sine A, we're looking for A. So we have to remove this sine, take it to the other side, it becomes arcsine, right? So let me just split this so there's no confusion. A will now become arcsine of 0.6014, right? And if we submit this to the calculator, arcsine of 0.6014, we get 37 degrees. Now remember, for your arcsine, you need to press second function then sine, or shift then sine, whichever your calculator has. Let's try another example. Again, simple triangle, 65-degree angle, angle B, 125 centimeters, 200 centimeters, all right? And then sine B over, by the way, we're looking for B, sorry, so we're finding B. So sine B over the side opposite, 125, is equal to sine of 65 over the side opposite, 200, right? So again, this translates to a simple equation. We need to isolate sine B, so we're going to remove this 125 by multiplying both sides by 125. Sine B becomes 125 sine 65, 200 over 200. So 125, sorry, times sine 65 divided by 200. If you submit that to your calculator, that should give you 0.5664. Again, let me split this, take that up there. We don't want sine B, we want B, so we have to take sine to the other side. So we get B is equal to arcsine of 0.5664. So B should give us an answer of 34.5 degrees there. So that's it. That's sine rule. That's how you use sine rule. You can find the size of an angle, or you can find the size of a missing side.